All right, I want to give you an initial look at the SoftStartUp. Itself is not a very large device, but you can see it's got plugs on both sides. Those are 30 amp plugs. I have them connected with the adapters. This adapter here going to my EcoFlow battery comes with the product. And this other one here is just so I can plug in a regular cord. I'm not at a campground, so I'm having a hard time getting it plugged into one. But what this does is allow you to run a 50 amp camper with a 30 amp output when you're at the campsite and still run both of your air conditioners. It also allows me to run my air conditioning from shore power, which at my house flips the breaker because our pool pump is also plugged into the same circuit. I'm easily able to plug this in, run the air conditioner, and my pool pump still goes without flipping the breaker. You can see there's an app that comes with it. The app is great. It's going to allow you to monitor everything here, all of your voltage. You can see how many amps you're pulling. All we have on right now are these lights coming off of this battery. And yes, I am running the camper off of this small battery. You can see that the watts right there is changing. It's about 100 average, watts going through. You can see the temperature going on it. Okay, you got different kind of settings you can do. You can set it up depending on what you're using. A small inverter, a generator, medium generator. You can manage your power that way. This device also acts as a surge protector, which many people I see at the campgrounds use surge protectors to protect all of their wiring inside, but this is going to be an all-in-one unit. This is going to allow you to start up things that take too much power easier. It's going to reduce startup amps, you can see there, by 50%. Small generators will be able to start your AC. In some future videos, I'm going to put on some little tiny generators and be able to plug it into a 30 amp and start everything up and get a look at it once we get out to the campground. But I just want to give you a preview of this thing. And again, I'm just running this off this battery. The battery does not have enough output to start the AC, even with the soft startup. Okay, that's a battery problem. That's not a soft startup problem. It tries to slow it down. But I also want to give you a look at the app. I have it here on my little tablet. You can put it on your phone, and you can basically see. So as you're going, especially if you're boondocking or trying to worry about what kind of power usage you got, you can see what you're drawing. And so another thing off this little battery, we're going to, my little assistant here is going to start up the microwave, and you can see the power jump here and the fact that it won't have any problems. There you can hear it running. There you go. You see the power jump up. The fan on the battery actually turned on. But again, there you go. We'd have no problems running that off this soft startup. It's designed for an air conditioner, but it kind of works for everything you got in your camper to allow you, if you have something drawing a lot of power, a lot of watts, it will allow you to lower those wattages on the initial startup. And like I said, we're going to have another post coming up where we have some tests with some small generators and to see what they do. But this is the app. The app I think it's very impressive. It connects via Bluetooth. I'm kind of a geeky guy, and I love seeing all these numbers and seeing what my amps are and my voltage and all my watts I'm pulling. It also helps me manage what I'm using in the camper, especially if I'm, say, out in the ranch. I'm hooked up to a battery like this or something just to get the lighting and everything to work. I can kind of pick and choose what I'm going to use and manage that power. And then you've also got the peace of mind that you have some protection and a surge protector built into this device. And you don't have to do anything to install it. All you literally do is plug it in. It is plug and play. When you start the air conditioner and it works, it'll make a little chirp sound, which is it kind of taking care of some of that voltage for you or wattage for you. And it'll start your double air conditioners off 30 amp power source, which is really good because not every campground is going to have a 50 amp plug-in option, or they may be completely out of those spots and you have to use the 30 amp. But again, we're going to come back and show you some stuff with some generators, which are going to really help allow you not to have such a loud, large generator and be able to use this. Once again, this is the SoftStartUp. Simple device, simple looking device. Revolutionary really in the RV world. We're going to show also some things you can do plugging into your house. And here's a look at the app.